Hey friends, if the Photos app is not working on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the resolutions. So we need to understand that the Photos app is not a Windows specific app now. It's basically an app that can be downloaded from the Microsoft Store. So if I open the Microsoft Store and search for the Photos app, it is available on the Microsoft Store. So it is an individual app now. So to update the Photos app, which should be the first solution, you can go to the Microsoft Store, go to Library on the list on the left hand side. In the right pane, click on Get Updates and it will fix the problem. But if it doesn't, then you can reset and repair the Photos app. How do we do that? Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Apps tab on the list on the left hand side. Select Installed Apps. Wait for the list to load. Search for Photos and click on the three dots associated with it. Select Advanced Options and now scroll down and first click on Repair, then click on Reset and then on Reset once again. This should solve the problem for most of the users, but in the rare case that it doesn't, you can safely uninstall the Photos app from the same pane and click on Uninstall once again. Once it has uninstalled, go to the Microsoft Store, search for the Photos app, open the Microsoft Photos app and click on Get and you will be able to reinstall it. Was this helpful? If yes, then let us know in the comment section of this video, and if not yet, let us know in the comment section of this video so that we could improve further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.